Let's take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. Colorado Springs Airport and Republic Parking have awarded the replacement of their current park system to Hub Parking technology. The Hub Park solution will include 28 lanes of equipment, and the flexible, scalable parking management system ensure that the airport's parking operation will run consistently and efficiently. European online parking reservation leader ParkCloud has entered into a collaboration with the UK's second largest airport, London Gatwick. Passengers flying from Gatwick's north and south terminals will now be able to reserve their parking as well as pre-booking security fast track and lounge passes. Frogparking is celebrating its success as one of New Zealand's fastest growing companies. Last year, over 75% of company sales were to key markets, the United States and Australia, and currently some of the world's biggest shopping malls, airports, universities and cities are using Frogparking technology to enhance the driver experience. Both Stockholm Arlanda Airport and Gothenburg Landvetter Airport will implement GrayMatter's car park revenue management solution as the company adds Swedish to its portfolio of clients. The solution will provide an automated system capable of recommending optimal pricing for the 22 car parks at the two sites. Frictionless parking is a reality at several sites in Ohio and Indiana following Signature Control Systems' installation of ParkBlue, TIBA parking system's Bluetooth technology. The installation has improved the experience for monthly parkers and increased input through the facility as less time is required to authenticate the driver. This week we hosted the 10th edition of our Airport Parking Network event at Hilton Paris Charles de Gaulle. Our agenda was filled with networking opportunities, interactive workshops and open discussions. Thanks to everyone who was able to join us in Paris. We can't wait to see you at our events in 2019. And remember, in December you can catch us at Golf Traffic, pop by to say hello or drop us an email to book an appointment. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine. See you next time.